Attention traders! Are you struggling to make consistent profits in the markets? Well, I have some exciting news for you. A revolutionary new platform is changing the game for traders all around the world. That platform is QuantPower, and it's designed to give traders the tools they need to succeed in the markets. QuantPower has recently launched a new initiative called Free Trade and Investment Zone aimed at supporting traders and improving their overall trading experience. This initiative is based on the belief that traders can be successful if they have the right tools, resources, and support. The first offering under this initiative is the Brokerage Reversal Program. If you are consistently profitable for a month, you will have your brokerage fees reversed, meaning you will trade for free for that month. This not only helps you save money, but also provides you with an extra incentive to stay disciplined and focused on your trading goals. It is worth noting that in addition to trading, some traders may choose to invest in other financial instruments such as bonds and Nifty Bs to diversify their portfolio. While this is not a recommendation, it is a way for traders to potentially maximize their returns, as they can use the bond or shares as collateral to secure additional trading funds. For traders who may not have the means or knowledge to invest in such financial instruments, QuantPower has arranged the FD Benefit Program. Under this program, traders with a capital base of more than 5 lakhs can earn returns on their idle funds at the same rate as bank interest. Finally, we have our Options Trading Rewards program aimed at recognizing and appreciating the efforts of our traders. It's a simple yet powerful program where traders will be rewarded for their usual trading activities. By participating in this program, traders who trade options using our platform and generate a trading volume of 1 crore rupees in a month will receive a cash reward of 1500 rupees. For those who trade options and generate a trading volume of 100 crore rupees in a month, we have an exclusive cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. We believe that traders who consistently trade with discipline and dedication should be rewarded for their efforts. This program is about recognizing and celebrating the traders who put in the effort while trading in options. We believe that by creating a supportive and collaborative trading environment, we can help traders achieve their financial goals and ultimately change their lives for the better. So, we encourage you to join our platform and be a part of this community.